take photos.
Yeah.
Why do you keep taking photos of that purple one? You know that. Let's go back. Stop taking photos. Too small.
Yeah, but that is a pitcher plant.
Yeah, it is.
Wow, we finally saw. How many? Can you count?
1, 2.
Four.
Not any honey.
Because you are far from it.
Far away
Finally.
honey still can see.
Finally, you saw a pitcher plant.
I know how a pitcher plant looks like.
Yeah.
But I never seen how a pitcher plant looks like.
Just now you saw.
No, I mean how it feels like.
How's the touching feeling, right? Okay, finally Ken found the pitcher.
And pour on your honey up.
Oh, wow, finally you can see the pitcher plant.
Plants right here.
You want to put something inside, right? Then put. Is there any ants inside?
No, just others. And you just close that. Close your mouth.
One is a pitcher plant, see? Let me check if I can see the ant inside. Oh, you can see the water inside.
I mean, I pour some away,
Yeah.
but not that one.
Oh, there's one on the soil. I take for you. I take for you to bring home. Oh, this one actually grow on the soil.
Huh?
Many inside. Nah. Are you taking video?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
taking video, but I
Yeah.
cannot zoom in. Because
Oh,
if
yeah,
I zoom in, I cannot see the picture.
Yeah.
Even though I didn't zoom in, I
Uh-huh.
still cannot see.
Okay.
I mean, I'm still zooming in. But there's so many leaves blocking.
Yeah.
So zoom out.
Để con vào con xem đi, rất là nhiều, many of them,
Then
many
you
of them.
hold.
Hidden. Little one. Okay. Yeah, just go inside. Yeah, just go inside.
Where?
Hả?
Where?
Nè. Yeah, nè.
Oh,
One.
here.
This one very big. Nè, cái này. Here. Oh, this one dead already, but very big. Wow, a lot of water inside.
Oh my god, honey.
Woo.
Hey, honey.
Wait, I pour water inside.
There's no. Đây là địa fan and
Một.
picture plate and
Nè, đây này. Nè.
this red.
À,
Get
đây này.
the red one. Get the red
Red
one.
one này.
Set them
Whoa.
apart. That, no,
Oh, water come.
don't pour the water. I want to see the water.
Wanna see the water?
No. Grab
Yeah,
the
yeah.
red color, not.
Here, you can watch this one. Here.
Ow.
Careful. Here, Ken.
Ow.
Now you wanna see the water? This side.
Wait.
Yes. Don't tear out. It's still alive. You pour the water out only.
But if I pour the water, that means it's gonna die.
No, they will get another water other day. You pour the water out. Woo. Any ant?
No ants.
Yes, have. Look at this.
No.
Yeah, it's their food.
I don't see any ants.
Not ant, but termite or something, or spider. It eat the spider, right?
Yeah, I mean.
Tadpoles and small fish.
And dragonflies.
Yeah. So finally today,
Finally, we found the picture.
pitcher plant mission complete. Yeah.
Pour some water out of your mouth and zoom you. And then get up.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, let's go back to the other way.
No, we just go out. Go out. There's another way out. Don't need to come back.
Oh, that's not picture. Hey, why taking photo of me climbing up?
Yeah, because it's fun.
Why
Go
is it
this
fun?
way. Not that way.
Why is it fun? It's hurting my leg.
And where?
Oh, in the sea?
Pitcher plant don't grow in the sea.
They do.
Really?
Yes, I want Dr. Binocs.
I didn't know. Okay, so today mission complete.
There's also other types of picture plane that is still on land, but yeah.
Okay.
Also, that's a flower. I just said that by myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, they look like some bananas.
A bird also. It's this one is the giant pitcher plant.
Big pitcher plant also can eat birds. Pitcher plant right there. Yes.
Okay. Good.
Why there so many in the fruits? There. That Venus flytrap.
Venus flytrap.
But I
Okay.
can see that right there.
Yeah.
White? Yeah.
So, huh? The dry one,
Yes.
Give me.
Right here.
I show you small.
Right here.
Yeah.
Tear his leaf apart. And
Nothing inside. This one dry and also there's a hole here.
wait, hold on. I want to do something with.
Yeah.
I am super venom.
Here. Yeah. Few small one. Yeah. Look at in my camera.
Oh wait, yeah, right there. I don't need to look at it.
Yeah.
I am so. It's already dry up a little bit.
The tallest tree in the opposite forest
Oh, right there.
look like garden by the bay.
Oh wait, yeah, it is. Ah! Dynamite.
Okay.
It's so near to the sea.
Water.
No, the river. I unleash the power. Cycle of life to death. Come on, Ba.
Okay. Wow.
You see this leaf?
Yeah.
It got not only one hole, more holes.
It's a falling leaf. It's
No,
a
that is a center. That's caterpillar. I'm gonna make one hole. Only one hole.
So windy and peaceful inside this McRitchie Reservoir.
Arr.
Okay. Can you do the like a Ryan do? Like this? This
Doing that?
No, doing this.
Oh, that.
Is it mushroom?
No, not mushroom.
What's that?
Can
web.
you see? Wait
Yes,
a
I see
minute.
the spider.
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah.
Daddy's cutie spider.
Okay.
Dad, you know where to find spider webs? Usually
Everywhere.
they put their spider webs inside the log.
Okay.
The scent feels really nice.
Then I don't know.
Well, smack that in the water.
You see the tadpole?
Yeah, right here, a lot of them. There. There's more than one tadpole.
Yeah. Who? Yes. Sao con jump down đi. Good.
Wet.
Okay. It's World the cocoa fruits and the coconut. It can be anything you want. You can drink it now or you can drink it later. Or if you don't want, then you hit the other person. Wow, the flower dropped.
They look like,
Oh, the purple mushroom again. Giant one for Uncle Ace.
oh my god, much more bigger than the earlier one.
Wow, purple. You can touch. The feeling is very great.
Touch the inside. What's that?
You can see below.
Oh, below feel.
They go the gills. Ok, để ba quay phim cho.
There's spider, you know.
Ok. This is the treasure of the forest.
Wait, this one actually, when you hit others, it
Yeah, you can.
fly off.
Yeah, this is a purpose of it, so that it can fly to the other area in the forest and
Oh,
can
see.
grow up in the new plants.
Ow.
It's a bit look like the flower that
Wait, hold on.
Oh, plenty of them on the forest bed.
Wait, can I bonk his shell?
No, you touch only. You can touch on it. Rồi, thế thôi. Yeah. You can throw in the forest.
Oh, mushrooms.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
What?
Would you look at that? Oh.
Inside, what do you see?
Oh, it's nothing.
Này, bao sờ đu nhá. Wow. Oh! Wow. Oh, you can see the inside one.
Wait, I want
This
to see.
inside.
What?
It look like a pacifier. You want to keep it as a pacifier
No,
for
wait,
baby?
let me do this.
Woo!
That problem solved.
Yes, okay. I think it's a fish. This
Oh, a big splash.
is maybe from the turtle. Yeah. There's something moving very fast. Come down, pour water.
We're
But this
fun.
ant small, I think they're intelligent.
If I just do something like this. Hey, water the plants.
I take this one for mommy.
Okay.
One dry one. Yeah, what's
Pet
this?
your plants.
So many spiders inside. Wow, so many giant ants inside.
Close it, close it.
Huh?
Does this one have honey?
I don't know. Oh.
I make my. Yeah, see, you're taking photo of them. Come on, Dad.
So big.
I'm putting lots of water and washing it.
Okay.
I don't want to see those disgusting.
This one don't have. The other one have. Have ah? Oh, okay. You want to pour them out?
No,
Yes,
at home.
Thank you.
Also, the problem is, yeah, it's tired.
Yes, okay. But finally you got one.
Yeah, let's go.
I pick it because they have so many. It's okay.
CA006, step up. Monitor laser alert.
Yeah, let's go.
Yes.
Anyway, we take one only. Wow, a giant one.
Bye. Bye.